What is going on, YouTube? Probably never seen this view right here, but this is my room, and we're gonna be doing a video from my room today. But anyways, don't mind the balloons. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to you guys. If you don't got a Valentine, I could be a Valentine. I just playing, but we got this heat gun right here, so we're gonna try to fix this bumper of mine, because if you know, I hit a coyote about 3 years ago now. When I first got the car, I hit a coyote. It messed up the front bumper, and I just painted over it. So we're gonna try to fix the damage or make it less noticeable in a sense. So I'm about to go pull out the bumper, and then when we get the bumper in the room, we will get to working on this bumper. All right, so got the bumper in here. Like I said, no mind for Valentine's Day tomorrow, so decorating my room. But got the bumper in. Let's see what we can do. We'll pull off this front lip first and then go from there. All right, so we moved out to the living room because got more space out here. Bigger bumper. So as y'all see, there's a crack right there. Crack right there. Crack right there, all the way up. That's from when I hit the coyote. So I'm gonna try to make this bumper a lot stronger than what it is. So turn the bumper around, get to work. All right, so our attack is, took this one out. We're gonna try to work our way inward, so kind of like a squeeze method. Heat, let go. Squeeze, heat, let go. Squeeze, heat, let go. Here, I'll squeeze it together as best as possible. Heat, let go. Same here, same here. Try to get the strength of the bumper back because it's pretty bad. And we're gonna put one right there too, and one down here. So we're gonna figure it out. All right, so it's gonna be a little bit dangerous, but hey, it is what it is. Gotta get it done. Pull this together. See, it didn't even. Oh man. Pull it. Oh, that's hot. Let's not touch that like that. That was dumb. See if we can get that one out. Redo that one. We're gonna get more. This. Oh, that wasn't no good. It's just coming apart. It's holding. Just gotta add more while it's there.
I can't do nothing with you. I can't do nothing with you. I can't do nothing with you.
All right, so been working on it about 30-40 minutes now. All of those are sealed. That's sealed. That gap sealed. That's sealed. Show you what the front of the bumper looks like right now. Oh, I'm getting old, man. Still a crack there. It is what it is. Wasn't expecting the crack to go away. Just wanted to fix these, really. So it's a little up. That one's almost perfect. Besides all this down here. Gonna clean this up. But yeah. If y'all liking the video so far, make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll finish the rest of this in the morning. I'm tired. Just got off work. All right, so as y'all seen in the last clip, I really don't know where I left off, but we had fixed the bumper. We had put all the metal in the plastic together to make it look best as possible. So this is what it looks like now on the car. As y'all seen, it was like hanging down and sagging. I think I'll post a video right here of like what it looks like on the highway. Front bumper sags pretty bad, but today, that's gonna be the end of this video. So make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Next video will be a DIY alignment. I bought these tools off of Amazon, so y'all check that one out too. I don't know when it's gonna be posted. Probably this one is Tuesday, which is tomorrow. So y'all probably getting this one Tuesday, and then I will be posting the other one Thursday, because you know we post every Tuesday and Thursday, or at least try to post every Tuesday and Thursday. But yeah, so like I said, make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Motivational quote for today is life goes on no matter what. I know y'all get dragged out by that, but just remember, life goes on. No matter if you're having a good day or a bad day, life does go on. But I'm gonna get into this alignment video, so yeah, thank y'all for watching.